Are you ready to transform your AI customer service from robotic to remarkably human? Today, we're diving into Retell to unlock the secret of truly humanized AI voices, making your customer interactions smoother and more engaging. First, you want to access the Retell website and log in. Inside the Retell interface, navigate to the Agent Setup section, where you configure your AI personas. Now, the key to humanizing the voice lies in the details. There are two main approaches. The first approach is to choose a pre-existing voice from their library and customize it within Retell. Browse the available voice options. You will find a wide variety of voices. Explore the accent, gender, and tonal variations of each. Next, you can adjust speech patterns and pronunciation, which creates a natural flow, avoiding the artificial sounding. Retell allows you to fine-tune the rhythm, pitch, and even the pauses between words. Experiment with these settings until you find a voice that feels natural and authentic. Or the other approach. The second way is to begin with the prompt or instructions. By carefully crafting your instructions, you can guide the AI towards a more conversational tone, focusing on active listening and providing empathetic responses. Review and test your agent's responses frequently. Your tweaks will make a real difference. Remember, creating a great customer experience means crafting humanized conversations. With these tips, you can begin producing better experiences and better customer interactions via voice design.